Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2019 Isuzu D Max LSU dual cab ute cab chassis. The stock reference number is 5792. The shape runs from the 11th month 2016 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-drive transmission. 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. The left front door has no damage, left rear door no damage. A set of 17-inch Sunraysias with good tyres. Factory fitted tow bar with all bolts, brackets and loom. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather console lid, 6-speed manual gear shifter, climate control, heated controls, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.